Following Kat Make's embroidering on Tulle blog post on the Bernina Wheel Sew blog, I used an OPEG mesh water-soluble stabilizer. I used aqua mesh from OESD. For my embroidery thread, I used Yemet metallic thread and bottom line bobbin thread from Brewer Sewing. I also used metallic needles. These needles are specifically for metallic thread because of its larger eye. I also used a thread holder so my metallic thread was relaxed as it was sewn. Before starting my embroidery, on my tool I sewed a basting stitch as a guide to help keep my embroidered details sit at the same height on my skirt. For placing my tool on the hoop, I measured my designs to be ½ inch apart and also marked where the center of my design would be. I then used the hoop grid as a guide for hooping. I then started the embroidery process on the B79 Yaya Han edition by following the prompts on the screen, making sure I used the correct stitch plate and bobbin case. Because I'm embroidering with metallic thread, I lowered the machine speed and also lowered the tension down to 2.75. Then I was able to start my embroidery and watch it come to life on my tool. After my embroidery was complete, I then rinsed my stabilizer and ironed it carefully with a protective cloth.